meeting sometime in September.
They
Of,
asked po about the liquidation process po nung cash advances as well as kung ano po yung mga supporting documents required.
And anong sagot? Tinanong nila kung anong mga requirements.
They were referred po
Hindi nila alam ang mga requirements para sa...
They clarified po kasi may mga agencies din po na nagka-clarify sa amin about requirements ng joint circular since it is very technical po.
At ano naman ang sagot ninyo?
They were referred po by Assistant Commissioner Nilda Plaras to the joint circular for the specific requirements.
And nung sinabi ng COA ICFAO, sinabi ni Assistant Commissioner Nilda Plaras ang requirements. Ano ang reaction nila? Ni Attorney Sulaika at ni Attorney Poa. Kung maalala mo.
Nag-confirm naman. Can you ano po, reaction po ni Attorney Sulaika?
Sinabi mo
Yes, they agree naman po
that
that
during the meeting, Mr. Witness, tinanong nila ano ang mga requirements para mag-submit ng documents para liquidation ng confidential funds, tama?
Yes, ma'am.
At sinabi naman, ang sagot
They were referred to the joint circular po.
joint circular.
And sinabi din po ni Assistant Commissioner Nilda Plaras na in case merong makitang findings during the audit ay mag-i-issue po ng AOM.
Okay. Nung sinabi ng Assistant Commissioner, basahin nyo na lang yung joint circular. Ano naman ang response nila?
Well, they asked po if instead of an audit observation memorandum in case may audit findings, ay audit query na lang po yung i-issue sa kanila.
Audit query na lang ang dapat i-issue, yun ba ang sinabi nila? Ano naman itong audit query na sinabi nila, ito na lang please ang i-issue ninyo, wag na lang AOM. What is an audit query, Mr. Witness?
Hindi po ako familiar sa audit query since hindi naman po siya kasama dun sa issuances under the Joint Circular 2015-01.
Sa joint circular, walang audit query?
Wala po.
Ngayon, anong nangyari nung sinabi nilang audit query na lang please ang i-issue ninyo?
Hindi
Bakit?
po. Ano?
Anong nangyari?
Hindi po pumayag si ICFAO since hindi naman po sa sanction nung aming Joint Circular 2015-01. So nag-issue pa rin po kami ng AOM nung may nanote po kaming findings during the audit.
Okay. So nag-issue pa rin despite this meeting ng isang AOM. Pagkatapos nun, anong nangyari if you still recall?
After po ma-approve yung AOM, nag-attempt po kaming iserve yung AOM to the office address po nung OBP pero hindi po siya tinanggap dahil wala daw po mag-receive na authorized person.
Okay. And itong first attempt nyo, pagkatapos nun, anong nangyari?
On the afternoon of the same date po na nag-attempt kami to serve, nagbigay po sila ng revised accomplishment report sa ICFAO.
Okay. Ngayon, Mr. Witness, sinabi mo kahapon at ngayon na ang basis ng inyong post-audit or compliance audit ay ang joint circular.
Yes, ma'am.
2015 ng 5 government agencies. Kasama dyan ang COA, tama?
Yes, ma'am.
If I show you, at babasahin ko, flash on the screen. Section 1, Section 1 of the joint circular. Can we please flash it on the screen? Ini-explain dito, and please refer, do you have a copy with you?
Yes po, I have a copy po with me.
I refer you now to the last sentence, which says, the COA, pakibasa, COA, babasahin ko na lang. O ikaw, basahin mo na lang, please. COA shall promulgate accounting and auditing rules and regulations, including those for the prevention of irregular, unnecessary, excessive, extravagant, or unconscionable expenditures or uses of government funds and property. You confirm, Mr. Witness?
Based on this joint circular po, yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, if I ask you, sa mga sinubmit na documents ng Vice President, and I will, for purposes of summarizing, purchase of information, 14 million. Reward payment, 10,050,000. Rental of safe house, 11 days nag-rent ang Office of the Vice President ng safe houses from December 21 to 31. 16 million in 11 days. Divided by the number of days, 2 million a day ang binayad ng Office of the Vice President para lang sa rental ng safe house. Tama?
May I refer po to the document po.
Refer to the document. It's in front of you. Okay. Meron pa rin mga ibang expenses. Meron nakalagay sa summary. Payment of reward, various, 34,857,000. Meron din. Purchase supplies, 11,813,000. Payment of rewards, Mr. Witness, 24 million. No, 10 million. Payment of rewards. Rewards in medicine, in kind. 24,930,000, Mr. Witness. Payment of rental of transport vehicles related allegedly to confidential activities. 10 million pesos. Tables and chairs, 500,000 pesos. Desktop computers and printers, 3 million pesos. You confirm that, Mr. Witness?
Pwede pong paulit ng enumeration kasi I don't
Ito
have
ay
reference
nasa
to any
notice of
suspension.
suspension and your tabulation.
Okay, ma'am.
Do you confirm, Mr. Ramil?
Yes, Your Honor po.
Okay. Based on Section 1 of the Joint Circular. I-translate ko na lang. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Irregular. I'm sorry. This is my last question. Medyo limited ang aking Tagalog no, or Pilipino. Ang pagkaintindi ko sa irregular, kaduda-duda. Tama? Kaduda-duda, irregular. Ang Counsel for Respondent, if you can help me, it's in this translation, I'd happily welcome your translation. Unnecessary sa Pilipino. Unnecessary, hindi kailangan.
Irregular is hindi palagi, hindi kinagawian.
Yeah.
Hindi pangkaraniwan.
Hindi pangkaraniwan.
Irregular. Kasi ang
Counsel
alam
for
ko,
Respondent, you agree, hindi pangkaraniwan.
Yes, Your Honor, I agree.
Okay. Kasi ang nalaman lang natin the other day is unusual. Ngayon naman, irregular.
Hindi pangkaraniwan.
Hindi pangkaraniwan. Unnecessary. Hindi kailangan.
Your Honor, I with all due respect again, if you may just ask the question na lang po.
Sandali, preliminary, Your Honor, preliminary.
Because this is already,
Your Honor,
I think we
please.
all know what's happening here.
In any event, Your Honor, give me some leeway here. This is the last question before we break up for lunch and considering
We ask for the ruling of the
the
court, Your Honor.
victory of Ayala, Your Honor.
Let
We're all in a
counsel-
happy mood.
Let counsel wind up with this, with
This is
our
the
direct
last question,
counsel
Your Honor.
correspondent. Let's give her some
Okay,
leeway.
I will-
Submit.
Unnecessary.
Let's help in translating more accurately.
Yes. Unnecessary, hindi kailangan. Excessive, labis. Extravagant.
Maluho.
Ang nakalagay dito, bongga kaday. Extravagant. Bongga, extravagant. At lastly, unconscionable. Sabi na Attorney Virgil, kasuklam, unconscionable. Okay, Mr. Witness, sa binasa natin, Section 1, saan, if at all, itong mga binasa ko, saan babagsak itong...
Question, objection, Your Honor. Question calls for a conclusion.
Okay.
In relation to his observation only, not as to the conclusion of law, given that the AOM is not a final disposition
We submit.
of the matter at hand.
In relation to your observation and based on the audited documents, will it fall, if any, under any of this enumeration?
Yes, ma'am. Under po the irregular expenditures.
Irregular.
Dahil irregular po siya dahil hindi po siya compliant or hindi po siya hindi po siya compliant with the provisions of the Joint Circular 2015-01, which is an issuance po of the COA, the DBM, the DILG, the GOCC, GCG, and the Department of National Defense rather.
Okay, and my last question to you, Mr. Witness. Let us go now to paragraph 8.3 of the Joint Circular. And this is being flashed on the screen. For the record and for better appreciation of this honorable court. Please read paragraph 8.3.
Under item 8.3, failure of the accountable officer to liquidate any public funds for which he is accountable